is fun to perform activities, and by activities we can learn the mathematical concepts. Here we shall perform activities to find out LCM and HCF of three given numbers. LCM, that is least common multiple, and HCF, that is highest common factor. Good morning students. Today we are going to show you an activity for finding HCF. So for this you require one number chart in which it is written 1 to 100, and I have taken the tokens of Ludo. In place of this you can take the board of ladder and snake and tokens, or you can take number chart and some stickers, colorful stickers for it. Now see how to find the HCF of 33, 66 and 99. So I have taken the three number 33, 66 and 99. So first of all you will have to find the factors of 33. So factors of 33 is 1, 3, 11 and 33. So what you will have to do? Put the tokens on the factor of 33. 1, 3, 11 and 33. For the factors of 33 I have taken yellow color token. Now the next number is 66. So for 66 what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 6, 11, then 22, 33 and 66. So these are the factors of 66. So take the tokens of red color. So 1, factors of 66 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 11, then 22, 33, then 66. So there are 8 factors of 66. So I have put the tokens in place of the factor of 66. Now the third number is 99. So what are the factors of 99? 1, 3, 9, then 11, 33 and 99. So now I am taking green color token. So put it on the factors of 99. 1, 3, 9, 11, then 33, then 99. So now you will have to see where all the three tokens are there. On which number? See, on 1 it is all the three numbers are there. So the common factors are 1, after that it is 3, after that it is 11, and in 33, on 33 also it is 3. So you are having 4 common factors for these three numbers, and which one is the highest one? So highest one is 33. So the HCF of 33, 66 and 99 is 33. So by this you can find the HCF of any number by using this activity. Now let us perform an activity for LCM. So for this you require 4 number chart. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last number chart I have colored it with a color. Now, and one cutter and one sketch pen. Now let us see how to find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. I have taken three numbers 6, 8 and 12. So for finding LCM of 6, 8 and 12, first of all you will have to encircle all the multiples of 6 in first chart. So encircle the multiples of 6, that is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Like this you will have to encircle all the multiples of 6. So I have encircled all the multiples of 6. Now in second number chart I have to encircle the multiples of 8. So 8 ones are 8, then 8 twos are 16, then 24, then 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88 and 96. So you will have to encircle all the multiples of. So now I have encircled the multiples of 8. Now next number is 12. So encircle all the multiples of 12. 12, then 24, 36, 48, then 60, 72, 84 and 96. So encircle all the multiples of 12. So I have encircled the multiples of 12, and this is the last chart which you will have to put it on the base. Now what you will have to do? You will have to cut all with the help of cutters. So see here, multiples of, first you will have to take the multiples of 6. In this number chart, cut all the multiples of 6 with the help of cutter and cut it properly like this. 6. Cut it with the help of cutter like this. Multiple of 6. 6 ones are 6. Cut it properly. Six. After that 12. So cut it with the help of cutter. So in all the number chart you will have to cut all the multiples what you have encircled. So this is the multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So like this you will have to cut all the multiples of 6. So see here how it looks like. Multiples of 6, that is 6, 12, 18, like this. I have cut all the multiples of 6. In this number chart I have cut all the multiples of 8, that is 8, 16, 24, and the next is 12. I have cut all the multiples of 12, that is 12, 24, 36. Now you will have to put it over one over another like this, is it? And then at the end you will have to put one number chart, which I have colored it with pink color. Now put all the 4 number charts like this. Now you see which are the common multiples of these 3 number. You can look it in pink color. See here, this is 24, 48, then 72 and 96. So the common multiples of 6, 8 and 12 is 24, 48, 72, 96. So which one is the least one? So in this you are looking that 24, 48, 72 and 96. So which one is the least one? Least one is 24. So the LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is 24. So by this you can find the LCM of any number by using this activity. So thank you.